Okay. Walang pupuntahan. First quarter pa lang po ito. The score right now is 12-14. Naman po ang, of course, ang Oryx basketball team in white. And of course, yung black po, yan po ang CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Reyes, number 13. Driving, D-shot, pops up. Yes, sir, number 24. 2 points, number 24. Number 24, 2 points. On the run po ngayon ang the white shirts. Pops up. No. Rebound Labrado. Number 21. 2 points, number 21. Number 21, 2 points. 3:20 remaining first quarter, drawing to a close. 24, pops up, dope. Nakunchut na sa bola. And Labrado on the run. Labrado, easy 2. 2 points si Labrado. Boy English watching. Lemar Cretus watching also. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Ito po tayo yun. Ito na. Lopez. Cas. Kumakat mo si number 2. Pops up. No, number 11. Good relax. Tinira lang. Wala na ako shoot ng bola. Masbang. And to Labrado again. 2 points Labrado. Easy 2. Labrado 2 points. Easy 2. And now number 18. Bernabe. Number 2. Pops up. 2 points. Nice dish-off for number 2. And Masbang. Siya po naglaban ng bola. Masbang. Big man Masbang for 3. Yes sir. 3 points. 3 points Masbang. 6:22 ang buong bola at 2 minutes 30 remaining sa ating pong first quarter action. Number 67. Number 2 again against Masbang and Chudilax. Palpal. And Labrado again. Labrado. Easy 2. Labrado 2 points again. And Lopez. 67 Lopez. Reyes against Chudilax. Nakuha. Muli na Reyes ang bola. Labrado ng bola. Nope. Number 24. Easy to sana. Halfo. Okay, idol. Basta. Okay. First shot. Number 24. 2 po. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Ito po ang DFL o The Friendly League 40th edition po tayo. Live po tayo po sa may gawing, of course, Cambridge Hilal or Cambridge Women's School po. Chudilax, binababa ang bola. And to Labrado again. Labrado. And pops up. Nope, it's Masbang. Chudilax for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points. Chudilax, 2 points. Number 57. 24. Driving strong. No, malakas ang pasa. Hindi po nakuha. Hindi handa. 56 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Labrado again. Labrado attacking. No good. Naku, wala. And 24. Naku na 24. Cas on the run. Cas pops up. 2 points. That's number 24 po ng Cas. 2 points. Chudilax again. Chudilax, ibabang bola. Chudilax to Labrado. Thinking 3. Pops up. Malakas. Reyes. Bernabe. Binabang bola. Roby. Nandun. White shirts and Masbang. Easy 2. Bako. Wrong move. Yes again. And that's it po tayo. Okay, after this first quarter action, the score is 9-26. Laman po ang team Oryx, colored white. Okay, laman po, Team Oryx, colored white. Okay, second quarter action on the way na po tayo yun. This game is sponsored by SPB Ako Representation, headed by Ref King and Company. Idol, kumusta? Salamat din boss, happy new year din boss. Idol, kumusta? Yan, bago lahat, bagong taon, bago uniform, bago po lahat. Dito lang po yan po sa DFL, Dome Friendly League po. Okay, first game on the way po tayo yun, that's Cats. Okay, and roll down again for 3. Touch. Naming Rimin yung bola, palpalbahagya po. Again, roll down one more time. Okay, Blablan. Ulit. No good. Rebound again. By Cariaso. And, naku, sayang. Hindi na ako namarasikan. Ulit. And, Rivera, no good. Cariaso. Limco. Limin. No good. Wala pa rin. Roldan, nakuha ang bola. Roldan, binabang bola. Okay, SO po, shoutout po, Eusebio from Team Oryx. Maraming salamat po. Oy! Backing violation, sabi ni boss referee. Sabi ng referee, backing violation daw, stepping on the line. Okay, balik po tayo ng Labrado. No good. And outside. Balik muli po tayo. Balik muli sa Blood Dark Shirts ang bola. The score is 9-20 sa 8-28 remaining. Roldan attacking. Roldan. Uy! Tama na. Okay. Matibay yan. Gawang marasigan yun eh. Matibay yan, siyempre. Okay. Balik po tayo ngayon. Balik po tayo ngayon. Ito na po tayo. White shots on the attack. Muli po tayo. 8-12 remaining. 9-26. Cariaso. Marasigan. Cariaso. Kumat. Ang ganda. Wala nga lang. Take 2. Okay. For information po, you watching the first game. Ito po yun ha. Cas versus Oryx Basketball. Live po tayo sa Cambridge Al Hilal. 2 points na yan. Labrado. Pasok. Labrado 2 points. Nice cut. Marasigan. Nakuha. Again. Another to sana. Hindi po pumasok nga lang. Balik muli pong bola. Labrado binabantayan. And now Roldan. Rivera. Pops up. No good. Cariaso. Labrado. Pops up again. Wala. Rebound. Lim. 2 points. Lim Kako 2 points again. Roldan. Roldan. Second tigas again. Roldan. No good. Roldan pre. Rebound. Rivera. 2 points Rivera. Rivera 2 points. Yan ang kinakailangan ng Cats ngayon. Yung mga pops up ni Rivera. At kinakailangan ng maraming ganyan. They're down by 19 points already. Sa first half pa lang po yan, 6:51 remaining. Cariaso. Cariaso, driving strong. Nope, it's swiped away. Okay, 2 points. Up, timeout called. Okay, Oryx called for a timeout. Boss Martin pa, shout out po kay Rosana. Okay, Sir Aniel Francis live repeat. Shout out po sa sir. Shout out po sa sir. Okay. Okay, this is your, ano po pa ito? Ito po ang Qatar Friendly League for this edition. Would like to thank the funny sponsors, Team LBC and Thread Needles. And of course, ito po SPB Ako, representation ng PSBQ. Sampo na po dyan, ang first game po tonight po is Cas versus, ano po natin, Oryx Basketball. And after it's Boleros versus AU, or po natin, last game po yan po is Inflights versus the PC21 Boys. Pero enjoy muna po tayo dito. Dito ba mag-enjoy muna po tayo sa Cas versus Oryx. Eto na naman tayo, Manasigan, Hounded. Limcaco, Marasigan. No good. And black ball. Dark ball tayo yun. Okay, dark po tayo. Sorry ha. Okay, pops up to number 12. Kapos ang bola. Nice cut by Lebrado. Lebrado 2 points again. Making basketball little easy para kay Lebrado. Mahirap ka. Lalabas muna yan. Medyo mainit. Rivera driving. Wala pinasahan. Mali po pinasahan po. Balik po muna sa pulang bola. Balik muli po sa putihang bola. And Marasigan na yan dictating the pace. Marasigan. Labrado. Carriazo driving shot. Touch last by Carriazo. Balik muli po ang bola. Pumuli po sa may gawing. Balik muli ang bola po. Idol. Sir. Balik muli tayo. Pops up. Roldan. Number 0, no good. Sayang. 13-32. The score is 30. Still 19 points being enjoyed by Team Oryx. Ito na pa rin po tayo yan. Diretso po rin tayo. Number 0. Fade away. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Limcaco for the rebound to Carriazo. Ang isordan. Carriazo. Hand by Roldan. Carriazo driving strong. Labrado. No good. Labrado muli. Wala pa rin. Number 12. Nandun. Si Darkas. And one play made. Nice shot by Limcaco. 2 points Limcaco plus bonus shot also coming up for Limcaco. Sir Francis is already watching also. Ano po tayo, second game po. Mag-ready na po kayo ha. Matatapos na po ang first half. Maraming salamat po. Change 5 daw po. Change 5. Okay, Limcaco shooting for 2. Wala. Foul on White, then anim sila sa loob. Anim po, technical foul on Oryx basketball team, anim po sila sa loob. Okay, for the technical free throw, pops up, it's in. Okay, good. 21 points still lead. Lamang pa rin po ng 21 points po ang team Oryx. 14:35 at 4:32 remaining. Sa ating first half action, matatapos po kasi. Second game po, magandaan po kayo. Pumunta po kayo dito from, of course, Boleros and Airport United. 2 points for number 2. Cass, 2 points. 16:35. Again, balik po sa rin tinakalamangan. Chudelax, sumesentro. And now, nice pass. Number 7, foul called. Offensive foul called on the big man, number 7, big man. Offensive foul po siya. Balik muli po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. Okay, 2 points. 3:34 remaining. 20. Pops up. 2 points. Nice shot by number 6, Flores. Flores 3 points. Again, dondaran muli po ang Oryx. Number 7, number 2, being hounded by the two white shirts. Pops up, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, pass muna. Pops up, wala pa rin. Rebound by the big man. Number 20. Flores. Hop, si Daisy traveling cold. Balik muli po ang bola sa may gawing cast muli po tayo. Muntik na po ang passing po noon. Number 20, Valera. Reyes. Valera naipit. Lopez for 3. Malakas. Nice stop by number 7. And number 20. Layang. Number 10. Ruiz. Pops up again, Flores. Wala. Rebound battle won by the black shirts. Lopez. Number 18. Lopez again. No good. Rebound by, of course, Chudelax. 2:18 remaining. Chudelax. Sayang. Hindi po pumasok. Balik po tayo. Bernabe. Game. Flores. Number 7. Ruiz. Mali pinasahan ni Ruiz. 1:23 remaining. Nando si Chudelax. Nice steal by Chudelax. Chudelax 77. Number 20, Layang. Oh, mutik na. Number 20, Dilabas. Ruiz again. Ruiz. One more time para kay Ruiz. Ruiz pops up offline. Number 7 again. Chudelax. Ruiz. Kumat. Nice play. Linabas muna. Mainit. Flores, floater shot, wala. Reyes, out of bounds. White shirts. Hop! Nice pass, number 18, malakas. Ruiz, Flores for 3. 3 points, Flores. Flores, 3 points. 18-41, the biggest lead so far at 23 points. Courtesy of course, Oryx basketball din po yan. Rodney number 2. Kumakat, si Reyes. Pops up, no good. 2 seconds. Okay, that's it. Barsak palas. Okay, first half po. Tapos na po yung first half po natin. Half time po tayo. so far, right now, halftime po tayo sa 18-41 at 23-point lead advantage. Binenjoy po ng Team Oryx over Team Cas po yan. We're playing now the 40th edition po tayo ng Dauphin League o aka DFL Dauphin League po tayo. Okay. Si Candol is watching also. Okay, since naano pala, ito syempre, as per hours of pagkulang po kasi, meron din po silang free shots din to be given. Okay, have. Open. Game. Parasigan. Eusebio. Ay, sorry, Cariaso. Luko lang bola. Hop, si Daisy. Sampo referee. Okay, same ball na po. Same ball, sabi ng referee. Same ball. Foul called on Roldan for sure. Naisasapisan ni Roldan pero di siya balik muli po tayo ngayon and nice block, palpal nice block by number 0 again, one more time tapos isa pa, malakas naman rebound by number 30 Nuki number 12 Hornila Rivera, usual spot, no good. One more time, Rivera. Nando naman. Oops, si Daisy. Oy, may foul. Bumangga si Rivera kay number 21. Max Pinkandol is watching. Sir Francis also is watching ready. Magandaan-daan na pasenggi po natin between AU and Boleros. Second half na po tayo. Nasaan na po kayo? Where are you na? Dito na mi. And Labrado again. Labrado, no good. Labrado try to rebound. Nope, it's 27. Wala pa rin. Number 30 na rebound. Stripped away by Labrado. Pero may foul si Labrado. 8:33 remaining. Third quarter action on the way still. Laman pa rin po ang Oryx sa commanding 24-point lead advantage. Lord Roldan nakalusot sana kay Labrado. Rivera running shot to Olea default shot 2 points. Olea 2 points. Labrado. Maverick Valdez watching. Labrado, number 14, driving strong. Labrado thinking to drive, to pass. Cariaso driving. Pinasa muna. No, pinasa niya. Tinira niya. Nuki. Olea, bumababa mo ngayon. Olea, umatake. Olea, against Marasigan. Olea, no good. And Marasigan naka-rebound. Cariaso, nadusurodan. Sayang nga lang, hindi na ko yung bola. Okay, balik po tayo. 2 points, 24-6. Still a big point advantage. A 20 point advantage. No good. Nice palpal. Rivera palpal ni Rivera. Ralph Castor. Pops up. No good. Rebound again. 21. Nanakawa ng bola. Roldan, umatake naman sa Roldan. Roldan, umatake sa bola. Roldan, palpal. Nice block. Swiped away by Marasigan. What a pass. 2 points. 2 points. Boss, Sir Barce, third quarter na po, sir. Third quarter, I repeat, third quarter na po. Boss Barce, maraming salamat po. Third quarter po. Ralph Castor, Caspo kalaban po ng Oryx po, sir. Labrado, binababa na naman ang bola. Labrado. Number 14, Labrado. Oops, si Daisy. Labrado again, Marasigan. Pops up. 3 points. Marasigan, 3 points. Again. And Rivera, no good. Rivera, no good. Again, Cariazo, Labrado, no good, Labrado. Olea, binababa ang bola. Olea again, driving Shong against, no good. Rebound, Albert. Nawala bola kay Albert. Rivera, sweet spot, 2 points. Paborito ni Rivera yan sa perimeter. Okay, si Flores, binaba naman si Flores. Flores yun kung nagdadalang bola. Si Flores. Number 6, Flores. To Limcapo. To Flores again. For 3. Bang! Flores, 3 points again. Rivera, dukot sa ilalim. 2 points Rivera. Difficult shot pa Rivera. Ayos. Lance Makaliman is watching. Yes, sir. Flores again. Flores. Driving strong. Dukot. Nako, sayang. Jolin sana. Roldan. Pass to Alea. 2 points again. Timeout called by Oryx. Mukhang nakakaramdam yata ng slight run po ngayon ng Tima. Nakakaramdam yata ng slight run yun ng Tima Cas. Humahabol sila, but still a long shot pa rin po. 26-54. An 18-point lead advantage. A 28-point lead advantage by Team Oryx over Cas. Dami. Okay, Flores again from the big man. Tesoro is watching. Boss Tesoro. Chudilax. 2 points, Chudilax. Chudilax, 2 points. Rivera. Uy, sayang. Hindi nakuha. And one play sana. Okay, Rivera shooting for 2. First shot is out. Sorry. Good ball. Yung Kako. Flores. Number 7. Flores again. Flores sounded. Swipe away. No. Chudilax. Not si Flo. Nandun. And Roldan. Easy 2. 2 points Roldan. ingat lang po. Nice swipe. Nice swipe by Dwight. The General Dwight. Okay, number 7, binabantayan si Flora Roldan. Ace Rivera, pops number 3. Yes, sir. 3 points Rivera. Okay, still. At 24-point lead, still advantage being enjoyed by Team Oryx Overcast. Dwight. Chudilax. Nakaduso. Chudilax. No good. Rivera, Hassel. Nandon. Number 7, power move. No good. Rivera for 3. No good. Dwight. Number 7. Ayun, mag-isa. Limkako. Nako, boss. Olea, 2 points. And again, back-to-back play. 20-point advantage. Muntik na. Limkako for 3. Nope. Olea again, naka-rebound. Olea, naipit. Nandun si Flores, muntik na nagsundan. Roldan, foul called. Chodras for sure called for a foul. 13 foul called. Olea pops up for 3, no good. Chodras sa rebound, 1:33 remaining. Oy, second game, nasaan po kayo? Where are you? Dito na mi. 1:27 na lang, magpo-fourth quarter na po. Maraming salamat po. Dwight, nakalusot. Dwight again. Foul called. Number 16, Rivera, 4th personal fouls, 1 for graduate. And Dwight, the General Dwight. General kasi yan, the Dwight, diba? Dwight, first shot. It's out. Dwight, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rivera. Roldan. Side set. Foul called. Okay, sabo na po si Rivera. Tiyak, lalabas muna yan. Nursing already 4 personal fouls. Balik muli po tayo sa laro po natin. Roldan for the inbound. 1 minute remaining at 36:56. Now pops up. No good. Rebound by Limkako to Dwight again. The General in charge. General Dwight, number 8. Chudilax pops up for 2. Nope. Rebound again. Olea nakalusot. And Nando naman si Limkako. No good. Rebound. Reyes to Roldan. Olea. 2 points. Olea. 34 seconds remaining. Number 7. 25 seconds remaining. Sir Owen Strokumar is watching. Thank you po, sir. Flores. Wala pa rin. Chudilax. Nandun si Dwight. Naku, malakas. And last touch. White ball. Ay! Muntik na. Okay, hindi sila. Okay. Dwight shooting for 2. 6 seconds remaining. 38-56 at 20-point advantage. First shot to Dwight. It's in. Last shot. Pops up. It's in. Okay. 38-58. Again, 20 na naman kalamangan ng Team Oryx. Olea, number 0. To Roldan. Roldan, binababa ang bola. Wag mo na raw. Roldan, sinasabay ng bola. Sudilax. 2 seconds remaining. Roldan. Swipe. Okay, that's it. Coming up next boys sport and final quarter. Okay, this is your Friend League 40th edition. Okay, ito po yung mga tibang sponsors, and you're still watching with the fourth and final quarter between Cats and Oryx, and followed up by Boleros and Airport United. Last game po natin po is in-flights at PC21 boys. Pero enjoy muna po tayo sa Cats and Oryx basketball. Fourth and final quarter coming up. Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon sa ating long at 10 minutes. Final 10 minutes. Olea for the inbound. Olea, pinasa muli kay Roldan. Roldan, setting up the pace. Pops up, number 2. 2 points. Ruiz, the lefty. Marasigan. Ruiz again. Power move to Ruiz. Cariaso. Number 21. Kapos. Cariaso sa ilalim. Malakas. Ruiz pops up. 2 points Ruiz. Bailout shot. Good. Binato ang bola. Roldan. Malakas. Sampa sa kay Roldan. Hindi nakuha. Layang. Number 21. To Marasigan. Cariaso. Nando sana. Hindi pumasok. To Roldan again ang bola. Roldan. Romney 2 points. Again, Layang again. 42-60. Uy! Top break. Balik muli po. And time of call again by Buwan na ko rin ng konting pero sabi po the official score is 42-60. Olea. Romney pops up, difficult shot, no good. And out of bounds. Marasigan, maglalabas ang bola. And si Ruiz. Marasigan again, Ruiz, the lefty against Roldan. Nandun si Cariaso for 3. Bang! Finish Cariaso. And time at ko by Cass. JP Bron is watching. Okay, this is your Friend League, Dabas of Flying League. Ito po yan. And you're watching the first game for tonight between Oryx and CAS, followed by Boleros and Airport United. 7 minutes and 7 minutes and 55 remaining sa game 1. CAS muli po tayo. CAS on the run, on the go. 42-63, 7:52. Binababa ang bola, now to Bautista. Valera rather. Pops up, Ramos, wala. Again, number 21 ang rebound. Marasigan. Ruiz. Marasigan. 7:28 remaining. Pops up, Cargaso. Nope. Rebound. Roldan to Rivera again. Rivera, Nonong. Roldan, malakas. Marasigan ang rebound. To Ruiz again. Nice one. And one play pa Bugel. Nice pass by Layang to Alvarado, and nakakuha ng foul kay Rivera. Rivera, 5 personal fouls, graduate. And plus 1 free throw pa. Plus 1 free throw pa para kay number 21. Ano pilitin niya, ma'am? Albara? 21? Albarbar. Okay, si Albarbar. It's Albarbar. Number 20, Albarbar, shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's out. Rebound again by Ruiz. Cariaso for 3. No good. Balik din po ang bola sa itim, sa dark shirts. CAS to Galera. Binaba ang bola. Valera. Olea against Marasigan. Nakuha ng pick. Shaking off the ball. Ramos, Olea, nice pass, nice cut. Olea, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound, 24. Malakas pa rin. Romy, and one play by Romy. And one play made. Number 2, Romy shooting for a bonus shot. At 6:27 remaining. Romy for the bonus shot. Romy. It's in. Okay, 3-point play completed. 45-65 score po natin. Still a 20-point lead advantage been enjoyed by Team Oryx. Marasigan. Kumati Ruiz. Marasigan. Pops up. No good. Rebound, battle won by the white shirts. Labrado. Marasigan. Cariaso. Wala. Roldan. Olea. Binaba bola. Olea. Shake and pick. Olea. Shake and pick. And foul again. Marasigan. Back-to-back fouls committed by Marasigan on fourth and final quarter. The score rated 45-65. Lamang pa rin po ang Team Oryx ng 20. Olea, no good. Second shot, Olea. It's out. Second shot, Olea. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. And sa po tayo yun. Flores, labas muna para kay Ruiz. Pasok muna para kay Ruiz. Number 6 against Roldan. That's Flores, Marasigan. Ayun, Cariaso, duot, 2 points. Parang bata, dumudukot pa sa ilalim ng mama. Cariaso, 2 points, 21 point advantage. Roldan for 3 points, it's good. 5:20 remaining. Labrado, number 14. Labrado Carriaso. Pops up, no good. Olea. Nandun. Selvarvar. Labrado. 2 points Labrado. Binato ang bola. Olea. Olea. Pops up. Malakas. Naabot daw. Naabot. Okay, sabon na po daw tayo. Okay, si Limcaco for number 21, Alvarbar. And 2 shots are given na for Olea. Number 0, Olea. It's in. 19 point lead na lang ulit. Second shot, Olea. Jumper shot ready. No good. Rebound. Limcaco to Labrado. Kaya Labrado pinapambola. Labrado, shake and fake. Hop. Teka lang. Double dribble, sabi ng referee. Okay, si Mr. Lumawag, boss, shoutout po. Watching from Iran. Ingat ka dyan, sir. Mr. Lumawag, maraming salamat po. Kambuhay po kayo. Okay, ito Valera again. Valera. Roldan, binababa ang bola. Flores, binabantayan si Roldan. And now to Mr. Olea. Fadeaway shot. 2 points again. Turnaround shot rather pala. Turnaround shot. 2 points. And Chudelax. Manning again the ball. To Flores again. Flores. Limcaco. Kumat si Flores. Limcaco again for 3. No good. Olea again. Nakarebound. Olea binabang bola. Olea taking charge. Olea. Same spot. Naku, sayang. Good ball. Malakas. Chudelax. Flores. 4-3 again. 3 points. Mukhang binabayaran yata kay Flores yung mga 3 points niya. Ayaw mag-drive ba? And Roldan again. Roldan. Malakas. Uy. Nice pass. Valera. 2 points. Dirk Barroso is watching, bossing, shoutout po from Iran. Sabi ni Mr. Lumawag, yung premiadong slasher ng CAS sa Standard Division. 2 points. 50% naman. Again, ang 20-40 advantage na been posted again by Team Oryx. Power move. Reyes. Pinasa muna kay Valera. Reyes. Oh, Romney, no good. Rebound, Limcaco to Lebrado again. On the run muli sila. Lebrado. Tapos. Ano ba yan? Patay ko, luwala sa focus. Oy! Foul called. Limcaco called for the foul. Okay, babalik muna po si number 30 para kay Valera. Saan? Olea shooting for 2 per shot. Pasok. 50 na naman. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Pasok, wala. 2 points, wala pa rin. Sayang, 3 point play sana yun. And balik muna po tayo. Labrado to Carriaso. Carriaso. No good. Uy, technical foul. Huwag kang pumalakpang, boss. Bawal yun. Taunting yun. Technical foul ko. Huwag papalakpak mo kasi. Taunting yun, taunting. Okay, Carriaso for the technical free throw. It's in. Carriaso, point. Carriaso, 2:28 remaining. Labrado. Carriaso nilabas muna. Para kay number 10. Uy! Nawala. Ito naman, roll. Valera. 2 points Valera. Balik muli po tayo ngayon. Chudelax, number 77. Chudelax. Pops up. No good. 2 minutes remaining. Olea. Driving stroke. Olea. And one play. Olea taking charge. Olea. Olea for the bonus free throw. It's out. Olea again. Olea. 2 points Olea. Okay, 4-point play. 15-point advantage na lang from the high of 30 now to 50. 15-point lead na lang. A minute and 37 remaining. Labrado. Limcaco. Pops up. No. Balik pa rin po. Balik tayo. Okay, timeout call. A minute 24, 61-76. A 15-point advantage from the high of 30. Sir Billy Siena is watching. Billy Siena, yan po, premiedo po yan sa team ng of course, the Sky Team. Mga leaders po yan. Ng Sky Team po yan, si Billy Siena. Ha? Ito, bago lahat. Bagong taon, bagong uniforme nyo. Lahat bago. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 1 minute 24 remaining. Inbounding ang Cas. Number 12, Hormila. Nuki. Hounded. 67. Pops up. 2 points. Crescent na lang yan. Limcaco. Palpal. Sinabayan. Nando si Labrado. Okay, I believe that's it po. Okay. Labrado, they'll just milk the clock and that's it po tayo. Flores. Okay, safety basket po tayo. Limcaco, kapos. Chudelac. Flores. Wala. Reyes. Hoy! White ball. Okay, safety basket na lang po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Safety basket na lang. Labrado. Nice steal. Hormila. No good. Rebound battle won by the White Shirts. Chodilax. Oopsie daisy. Step on the line. Dilaw po tayo, Dilaw po tayo. Oy! Mali rin. Mali. Okay, 12 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action. Okay, that's it po. Congratulations. And win number 1 goes to Team Oryx. Okay, you watch now sa ating first game for tonight po. Panalo po ang Team Cas. Team Oryx. Finals ko po natin 63-76. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang Doha Friendly League 40th edition. Thank you very much.